Hey there, Lennar fans. Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we are over at Timber Creek Community in Fort Myers by Lennars Homes, and we are previewing the Ava model. This is part of the townhome series of condos that you can find here at Timber Creek and many of the Lennars Southwest Florida communities. The Ava is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath townhome, so it's a 2-level home. You get a 1-car garage. The Ava also has this nice bumped out area here on the end for extra driving and parking space. You do have a side entry with the Ava, and as we come in on the first level, you're going to have all of your living spaces. So you've got this nice entry here which opens up to this nice open space here. So you've got your great room, your dining area, your bar, eating kitchen or formal dining space, however you want to use it. That's all here on your first level. So over here you have your single car garage. So you walk right into the kitchen area. You've got a half bath downstairs as well. That way you don't have to go upstairs. And you do have the wash sink as well. Nice pantry right there for your kitchen. And then you've got a nice sized little kitchen here with a full stainless appliance package. And this all overlooks your great room area here. Right past this little 4-top table, which is directly under the stairs here, you have this really nice storage area under stair. You've got a nice little lanai for enjoying the Florida days here. And then upstairs, you're gonna have all your bedrooms. So as we get to the top here, top landing spot, to the left is gonna be the master, and to the right are gonna be the guest bedrooms. So you've got a master here, really nice size master suite. That's a king size bed, by the way. You also have this area over here that Lennar has utilized as a workspace, but you can use that spot for whatever it is that you can imagine. You've got your master bathroom here. You've got 2 closets, nice little walk-in style. One on that side and one on the other here. Then you have dual sinks, standalone shower, and you have a private commode right over here. Now coming back out into the hallway area, we'll jut across to the guest bedrooms. And also, we'll point out, you've got a linen closet here. Nice size closet. There's some depth to that. And this is where your laundry area is as well. So you've got a full-size washer and dryer. Nicely enclosed here behind the bifold doors. Now on the left-hand side here, we've got one of the guest bedrooms. So nice little guest bedroom here with your bifold closet doors. Directly across from that is the guest bath. So you get the singular sink and your combination tub and shower there. And then coming back here to the corner, you have the last guest bedroom here. All right, folks, so this is the Ava Townhome, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, just under 1,900 square foot. You get the single car garage. We hope you like this floor plan. If you're interested in one of the townhomes, you can reach us at all of the contact information below. Guys, this is Roberto with Pinnacle Property, and we thank you for watching.